In this video, you're going to learn how to add your first website to your dashboard so you can start creating new pages and customizing your website. Go ahead and click on Dashboard in the top left corner to make sure that we're in the same place. As you can see, we have 2 of 20 websites created, and this process is going to be the same whether you've created multiple websites or you're adding your first. Step number 1 is to go ahead and click on Add Another Website. You're going to be prompted to create a new URL or add your domain name. I'm going to go ahead and browse current domain names that I own. Let's go with sportsfootage.com. Just go ahead and simply type in your URL, and we're going to click Save URL. After clicking Save URL, you're going to be taken to a customizable homepage template that you can start customizing for your website domain. As you can see in the top here, you can see that we're working on sportsfootage.com, and the page template that was automatically created is our homepage, as you can see. We can return to our dashboard and view that we have now installed 3 of 20 websites. Depending on your plan, you'll be able to see how many websites you have left. And we can go ahead and click on sportsfootage.com, and we can see that we have 1 current page for our website, which is that automatically installed custom template for our home page. From here, you'll be able to add multiple pages, customize them, and bring your website to life.